What's up, guys? Welcome back to DeeterPlays. I want to show you how to get this imagination core here in Roblox that is absolutely free. This is a part of the Bloxy Awards, the 8th annual Bloxy Awards in 2021. So this is a little hat item. This one is going to take a little bit of time, and there's a couple different nuances about it that I'm going to tell you about. So basically, this is something that you guys can get from, as it says in the description there, it says whoever completes a trip through the metaverse in the 8th annual Bloxy Awards experience. So link is in the description to the game guides. This is the 8th annual Bloxy Awards. If you guys have already gone through and watched the whole thing and made it to the end, you've already got your core, but that's basically all you have to do, guys. You have to go and join this this little ship right here. Once you get in the ship, it is going to have a little bit of a countdown, and then the ride's going to get going. Now, if you join a server like partway through the ride, it'll start here and it'll be like ride in progress with a little countdown. But at the end, basically, when you go through the whole ride, you watch the whole thing, which takes like an hour, you will see that those core pieces will come together. And at the very end of the ride, you will get yourself a nice little badge, and then that is how you will see that in your inventory. So at that point, you will go and you will see that this item, it will say item owned. You guys got that for free, and there's a bunch of other items that you can get here in the Bloxies. Make sure you check out those videos that I've put out on how to get all of these items. And if you guys are new here, would love to have you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.